Welcome back to your channel, Golha channel. I'm here with another 2-minute introduction. In this 2-minute introduction, I want to introduce you to a very attractive coding environment. This popular coding environment is Visual Studio Code. It's also called VS Code. VS Code is actually a program for editing programming code that written in different languages such as Java, Python, C, C#, JavaScript, and even HTML, etc. and completely compatible with those languages. Even by installing the relevant plugins, it can execute those codes. This coding environment is free, light, very small, and open source that was developed by Microsoft. And the number of people who use it increase every day because it can be installed on Windows, Linux, and Mac. To install VS Code, enter the code.visualstudio.com website and then click on this option and download the installation file. The installation process is very simple, and if you check these options, it will add a series of items to your right click. And when you right click on different file inside the operating system, you can see the option of open with VS Code. We select the next option and install. Then installation is complete and we open the program from this part. When the software is open, we see a series of icons on the left side. The first icon is for managing project files that are open from a certain path. The second icon is for searching. The next icon is used for managing and controlling the version through Git. If you don't know what is Git and basically what's the point of version control in programming, subscribe the channel so you don't miss the next videos of the channel. This option is also related to code execution. Of course, you have to install the relevant plugin. The last option is related to plugins that can be installed on VS Code. You can install the plugin you need by searching this section. At the end, don't forget to like this video and comment your ideas about the next video in the comment section.